I have a strange sound that I'm trying to diagnose for my 69 Mustang, and I'm going to share 4 short recordings with you of that sound. First, the car's a 69 428 C6 car. It has a 9-inch nodular limited slip rear end with 350 gears. The car's driven fine for 1,200 miles after a ground up restoration, but within the last 100 miles, it has developed this strange howling sound. The sound only occurs when you're going between 50 and 55 miles an hour and you have a slight load on the motor. Doesn't matter if you're in third gear or second gear. At that speed with a slight load, the howling will come and go. Sometimes it'll stay for a while. Other times it'll disappear. You can always make it go away by accelerating faster or by just taking the load off. And I'm trying to diagnose it. The howling appears to come from below or behind me, which, in other words, the transmission or the rear end. My best guess is I think the third member has a problem in it, and I need to pull it and figure out and go through the thing. That's my best guess. I'll let you listen. Thank you. So I'm at 2,500. 55. Hear that? All I gotta do is press on the gas a little bit. If I let up, it disappears. There it comes back. Now it disappeared. Same RPM. Hear that? Sounds clean. I'm going to go back to a 55 and 2,500 RPM. See if I can recreate it. Here it goes. Hear it? Try it again. Sounds ugly. There it disappeared again. $55 and 2,500 RPM. Rump on it, it sounds clean and strong. Back to 50 and 2,000, going downhill. Hear how loud that is? I just touched the gas again. I'm not accelerating hard. Again and again. Can you hear this? This is all right around 50 and 2,200. All I did there was let up off the gas. And I barely had my foot on the gas as it was. And I just let up and it disappeared. If you've listened this far, I'll share my thoughts with you. I think there's an issue in the third member. My guess is I got to pull it out and get somebody to go through it. I didn't do that in the first place. I probably should have. I bought it from a guy who had a bunch of Mustang parts. It looked to be in very good shape. He claimed it was ready to drop in. But I don't, that said, I don't know its history, and he's no longer around, so who knows. I don't know what the backlash and all of those sorts of things are set for here, and my guess is I gotta pull that thing out and have someone who knows their way around a Ford 9-inch go through it. But I'd be interested in your opinion. Thank you.